squeak, cow goes moo, frog goes croak, and the elephant goes toot, and ducks and quack, the fish go blub, and the seal goes ow, ow, ow. But there's one sound that no one knows. What does the T-bird say? What the T-bird say? What the T-bird say?
Happy, happy, happy ho, happy, happy, happy ho, happy, happy, happy ho.
What the T-bird say? What the T-bird say?